Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about a storage enhancement solution for the rear pockets of our Tesla Model Y in our trunk area. Let's get into it. One of the first things I always recommend to every new Model Y owner is to get yourself some of these rear cargo buckets that give you this entire shelf along the entire back of your trunk here. It's these lids. These lids and the little container inside provide tons of storage, and in my opinion, is so much cleaner than having these actual pockets with stuff that can roll into them and cause a big mess. So I love that they include these lids as well as the little pocket right there. What we're going to be talking about today is kind of an enhancement to those lids. This is a little kind of device that goes and extends the top of this pocket area so that you still have the bottom layer down below, the actual surface here on top, and a nice divider right here so you can keep things from rolling away. That's the entire intent behind this product here. These are just some very cheap, very nice, kind of the same felt quality, but just additional dividers that you can use to enhance the storage back here in your Model Y. Now that we have the product kind of unboxed out of its very annoying wrapping, you can actually take a look at it. It's really made of a super nice kind of felt material, almost exactly the same kind of carpeted liner as what you already have inside your Tesla. It's the same color. They matched it really nicely as well. I think this is a pretty nice quality product for its price. It's only about 10 or 11 bucks right now, so I think it's pretty cool. I left my trunk bin lid over on this side, and I actually removed it on the other side. And I want to see kind of the difference between the two and see if there's any difference with the installation. Actually, if I can actually still get this out after I install it. So I'm going to test all that. So how the instructions say to install it is you take the side with the curve and it kind of bends down backwards and out of the way. Then I want to just line it up with this kind of lip right here. It is going to bend in just a little bit and kind of slope in, I guess. So I'm going to push that side with the Velcro in. Fold this side back, get it kind of nice and aligned, and then just push the Velcro on there. Then you have a nice, secure little pocket where you can keep stuff from rolling out and rolling away. So like I said, I still have the front lid in here. I still have that lid. So let's see if I pull on it, if I can actually get my lid out. And it's a little bit of a challenge. So I would say not easily. I don't think I can get it out. With how I installed it, I guess if you kind of move it around some more, you can probably get it so you can get the lid out fairly easily. But right now, it's kind of binding right on there. So if you do want to get to the products down below this lid, you'll have to go ahead and remove this Velcro piece. Honestly, not a huge deal with the amount of like additional function and storage it provides. Pretty useful to have a pocket up here where you can keep additional things, groceries to keep them from flying all around, different stuff you want to transport with you, a tire inflator, a ball, different kind of stuff. I think it's really useful to have it there. Let's try on the other side without the little shelf and see how it fits. So on this side over here, I took out my actual little tub bin, which I could have left in if I wanted, as well as the shelf. So now there's nothing down in here, just one big open kind of cavity where you have all of your groceries and stuff rolling into it. I never liked that design. I like having that nice smooth surface. But if you do like having the big cavity down here, maybe you like to transport something larger like, I don't know, wine bottles or something that's just taller that you need this cavity for and you don't want to use your sub trunk or your other space, this could be a really useful thing. So let's take a look at it. We're going to fold it back this way, just like we did before. Fold this piece of Velcro back. I'm trying to not get in the way of the camera here. And put it right up against that kind of little curve area and slope it in just a little so it matches. There we go. And on this side, tuck this kind of in and down. And it just provides a little bit more, I don't know, lengthening of the actual space. I think it looks pretty sharp like that. Let me line this up a little bit better. So there you go. Having it kind of aligned there just extends this cargo area down even farther. If you need additional room or you just don't like stuff rolling into those bins, this is another way where you can keep stuff from just kind of rolling around. So pretty cool. If that's for you, I kind of actually like it. As we said, it's a super quick video this week, a very simple product, but one that actually could be really useful for you. It's freezing outside right now. I can't do any product reviews with my garage door open because snow would blow in. It'd be terrible. But I actually think this is a cool product to show off. I think it's really useful. It enhances some of that additional functionality of your Tesla storage. One of my favorite things is those actual tub dividers with the lids, with the actual lid on there to make it a nice flat surface. If for whatever reason you like hauling bigger stuff in these side pockets and you just want a little extra support, or you don't want stuff rolling in there that you transport in your back, these little side guards kind of serve that dual purpose, right? It allows you to carry taller stuff without it flopping out and keep stuff from rolling down in there if you don't have those like actual lidded tubs. So Pretty cool product, and like I said at the beginning, extremely cheap. Right now on Tesserae's website, these are only like 11 bucks. If you use my discount code right here on the screen, Gamilton80, saves you 20% right off the top. So order something else from Tesla C, add this as an add-on item. You don't have to pay for shipping for these or anything like that. But I think they're worth it. It's a nice, convenient little divider that I think you'll get a lot of mileage out of. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Would you actually use these dividers or not? Whenever you use my discount code Gamilton80 on Tesserae's website, we do earn a very small affiliate commission. I just want to be transparent. That's no additional cost to you guys, but we do get a very small commission when you use that discount code. So thank you for supporting the channel. It allows me to create videos like this for you guys to check out. I appreciate all the support on the YouTube videos, always going forward. If you're interested in anything else I've done to my Tesla, check out the playlist in the description, as well as my Amazon storefront right here on the screen. Lots of cool stuff in my Amazon store, stuff I've reviewed, stuff that I enjoy. Check it out as well. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good day.